Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you how to make it a Diya Thali, Pooja Thali. Take it your acrylic colors, your thali and few decorating materials. Here is your thali. Now we are going to start it. I am going to take it green color. Cover it all four sides. Now I am going to take it yellow color to merge it inside. Slowly going inside with the yellow color. Now going to take it white color to cover the inside portion. If you need a permanent puja dish, you can use it oil paint. Even also you can use it varnish on this, so it will be a permanent. Here I covered it. Wait for a moment, let it be dry. Now it's dry. Now we are going to take it red color to put it in a center. Take in a red color, going to make it a diamond shape. Fill it inside. Proper. Now a black border. Here I am going to make a design. Going to take it a detailing brush. Creating a Om at the center. Here I made a Om. Now I'm going to take it red again for showing the flowers at a side. One more flower on opposite side, just to make it like a petal. All four directions. Few red corners. Again take a green color for showing the leaf. First I'm going to make it stems. Here I made a stems, few leaf on the stems. By using green color. Here I made it. Now I'm going to use it white color for few borderings. Taking a white color, a detailing brush. Just few effects I'm going to give it with a white color. Now I'm going to take it some glitting paper. Going to stick it on the corners. On the flower portion. One on the flower position. One more on the another flower position. Same thing opposite side. Down side 2. Now few red squares. At the corner part, all four diamond corner part. Here I am using glitting stickers. Now going to take it blue color strips. Straight in between the stems. All four corners. All four direction is done. Here my whole diya thali is ready. Even also you can put it lamp in between. You can put it lamp in between if you want to glit it. You can light it on the center. Here I made it a lamp colorful. You can see here. If you want to make it a blue color, different color, any different color options, you can make it. Even also you can put it blue. Here your puja thali is ready. If you want to stuck it permanently, you can put it glue at the downside and stuck it down, so it will be not moving and it will be a stagnant. Anyways friends, thank you for watching. You can make it your own creations. If you like it, share it. Thank you.